we're here at Malabon City and we are about to groundbreak this property. It's an office and warehouse and also a coffee shop building here. This is our fourth project with our dearest clients that ever since they trusted Primestruck and also GK Architects for their properties. And they purchased this property na may existing structure na and we will turn it into a warehouse and office sa company nila. And on this side, we are gonna build a 4-story building, mixed-use building na may coffee shop and also multifunctional area dun sa taas. This is a special milestone for our clients and we are very proud to be a part of. Kaya tara, let's go!
God ang proyektong ito, kayo po ang siyang manguna, Panginoon.
Ay, sa akin perang pakapit.
Ayan, we are very excited that finally it's now happening. Ang pinaka-masayang tahanan na aming pinaka-masayang pamilya. Siyempre, sa pamumuno ng Primestruck at ng GK Architects, we're very excited kung ano ba yung magiging produkto nung samahan ng Beauty and Hikari at ng samahan ng team nila. So, yun, Baba.
So, nakaka-excite. So, finally, magsisimula na tayo. At we're looking forward na, of course, pag natayo na ang ating tahanang pinakamasaya, sama-sama tayo kasama ng ating mga distributors, resellers, partners na dito sa iisang bahay, sa iisang tahanan. Tahanan ng Vavas, tahanan ng pamilyang pinakamasaya.
Yay!